Hey everyone! With this video, I'm starting a saga of the infusions that I love to use in my hair. I like to alternate this one with some other ones during fall when there's presence of hair loss, changes in the scalp pH that can trigger other types of hair problems. So let's get started. One of the best home remedies to maintain a healthy scalp is the use of mint leaves, since it contains antiseptic properties that help eliminate any bacteria in our scalp, which provides a healthy environment for the hair to grow as it restores the capillary pH. The ingredients that we will integrate to prepare this infusion are 1 handful of mint leaves, 2 flowers plus 1 teaspoon of anise seeds, and 2 cinnamon sticks. Heat up 1 liter of water and add all the elements. Bring it to boil, next let it cool, and then strain it in a plastic container to avoid accidents in the shower. The ingredients like the anise helps to repair damaged hair, it promotes hair growth, eliminates the fungus from dandruff and scalds in the scalp due to its antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. The cinnamon helps us overcome aesthetic problems such as hair loss, lack of shine, manageability, and hair cracking. Using it on a regular basis improves scalp circulation so that the scalp can be nourished and thus stimulates natural hair growth. It is important to give a massage to the scalp before the shower using a massage brush. That way, we activate the capillary hair receptors so that the infusion as well as the shampoo and conditioner work better due to the microcirculation. If you don't know which brush to use and how to properly brush your hair, I'm linking a video up here with my entire collection of wooden brushes. Always remember to check the water temperature. We want it warm enough to remove excess oils, masks, or serums. I'm currently removing a serum I previously put on my hair this morning while I was at the gym. That is why my hair looks a little oily. So I'm using warm water to remove it and then I'll change the temperature. This time I'm using the shampoo and conditioner from the line Avalon Organics. Don't forget that in order for your treatments to be effective, you must use 100% natural hair cleaning products. This means no sulfates or parabens. Anyway, I'm leaving in the description of the video as well as in the comment section the links of all the products that I'm using in this video. With your hair properly clean, proceed to the application of the infusion. Start with the rest of your hair and leave it like that for 5 minutes. Then continue pouring the rest over the entire head and then massage it with your fingertips for 5 minutes. I have to say, mint also stimulates blood circulation in the scalp. This makes the hair follicle receive more nutrients and therefore the hair grows faster and stronger. This infusion is ideal for all hair types. It is an excellent remedy to control sebum, and if you are suffering from dandruff and have very dry hair, don't worry, as this regulates the pH, making the strands of your hair completely clean and healthy. Do not forget to dry your hair using microfiber towels, which by the way, I might start looking for bigger ones since these are no longer big enough for my hair. The past 5 months, my hair grew much more and it's getting difficult to use these towels. Friends, there's not such a thing as a magic infusion that will make your hair grow like Rapunzel. We have to dedicate time to our care routines and learn to understand our hair. I hope you put this infusion into practice and share your testimony. Remember that you can find me on my social networks when I'm always sharing tips about health, beauty, and lifestyle. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.